I'm Bruce Cohen. I'm an attorney, and we're here at the WeWork offices in South Beach in Miami today. I'm here with my friend and CPA, Ann McGowan.
Hi, I'm Ann McGowan. I'm a CPA here in Miami Beach, and I focus on taxes and mid-sized businesses.
And today, Ann and I are going to be talking about the first two new laws that were signed by President Trump as part of the pandemic that's going on. And first is the Emergency Family Medical Leave Extension Act. I think I said that right. And then the second one is the Paid Sick Leave Act. And with regard to the Emergency Family Medical Leave Extension Act, that is a new law that extends the Family Medical Leave Act to cover one new type of situation. And not only does it cover this one new type of situation, but it makes it paid leave. Under the Family Medical Leave Act, there is no paid leave. It's unpaid leave for up to 12 weeks. But under this Extended Emergency Act, it provides for paid leave for up to 12 weeks for parents that need to be home with their child who's under the age of 18 because there's no child care and because the schools are out during the pandemic. So if a person is covered by that, then starting on April 1st, an employer needs to let them take family medical leave. And the other act, and if I can back up a bit, and it's paid leave. And Ann will be talking about, maybe this is a good time to turn it over to you, Ann.
Yes.
How are businesses supposed to be able to afford this? Because this is going to be covering even small businesses of under 500, even businesses with 1 or 2 employees.
Well, there is a small business loan that's going to be available. It's interest-free for 1 year, up to $50,000. And if you use the majority of that loan to pay for items like sick leave and retention of employees, even if they're not working and you keep paying them, you can, there is a provision that will say that you may not even have to pay back that loan if it is used for these items.
Okay, and then there's also the Paid Sick Leave Act, which is totally different. Provides for 6 categories of eligibility where an employee can take off for up to 2 weeks or 80 hours and get paid sick leave from their employer, all because of this pandemic. Essentially, what it covers is people that either have the coronavirus or the people that have symptoms such as a cough, runny nose, fever, and need to take off, and they don't even need a medical diagnosis, so the employer can't require that. What the law says is that they're seeking a medical diagnosis, because I think the law anticipated that everybody can't get tested right away. It's a big problem right now. And maybe, Ann, you could mention, is there like a tax credit on payroll taxes for employers so that even if they're paying the person this paid sick leave, they can have an immediate benefit and maybe not have to turn over the payroll taxes?
Yes, there is a credit available for payroll taxes. There's actually 3 different ones. One of them will delay the employer payroll tax by 50% to December 2020, and the other 50% would be due in 2021. So that's a great relief for employees. There's also the rebate that's going to individuals. It's individuals get $1,200 per person or $2,400 for a family. They start the phase out for an individual at $75,000, meaning the number goes down if you're above $75,000. And for a married couple, that is $150,000. And what they will look at to release this credit is your 2018 tax return or your 2019 tax return.
Okay, well, thank you everyone for tuning in, and we're going to be doing a webinar together on April 8th. We'll be putting out some information about that. We'll continue to do some updates to let everyone know about how the law works and what the effects are on both employees and employers. Thank you.
Thank you.